Okay guys, I got something special on the menu today. I got some dub wheels. As you can see, this wheel is bent and cracked severely, and it's cracked over here as well. It's for a 2018 Chevy Tahoe. We're going to take the bends and cracks out. We're going to powder coat the wheels. We're going to powder coat these wheels pearl white. I'm going to show you the reason why we're going to powder coat it, because this is not real chrome. When we heat it and we fix this wheel, this chrome, it flakes. As you can see, it's not real chrome, so it's been welded. It's cheaper to powder coat the wheel. Now on the inside of this wheel is a pretty huge crack as well. So we've already welded that crack. As you can see, we're going to finish off the welding. We're going to powder coat these wheels pearl white to match, where we're going to paint them to match the color of the truck. That's the only way you can save these wheels, other than sending them off to have them re-chromed, which is a pretty expensive undertaking for some 26-inch wheels that will probably cost around about $800 per wheel. We can get them powder coated and fixed up for around about $300 per wheel. So just want to show you what we do here at Houston Wheel Repair. This is a special order, and I'll show you the finished product. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. Another reason why we are the best. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the finished product on these wheels that were all beat up, bent, cracked, and they were chrome. This is the pearl finish on the wheels. I want to see if this is one of them that was cracked. This doesn't look like to be one of them that was cracked. It is. Okay, great, awesome. As you can see here, this is where we welded the wheel and we fixed the bends. You can see that it is in fact the same wheel, so that way you'll know that this is not a different wheel. Here's where we welded it here, and here's where it was all bent up and broke up here. You barely, if you look really close, there's just a little ripple here. I mean, you got to look really close to notice that this isn't as perfectly straight as that, but with the human eye, you really can't see. I have to point it out to you. It's a beautiful, beautiful finish. This is what we do at Houston Wheel Repair, mywheeldoctor.com. Let me show you the other wheels. The wheels are awesome. I'm sorry. These are the other wheels, pearl white. I want to roll one of them out to the sunlight so you can see the pearl on these wheels.
When you go up, you put 90% of them or no?
All right, so there you go. Hold it. This is the pearl. I want to show you guys the pearl. If you see in the sunlight, the wheels got pearl in it. It's a beautiful, 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 beautiful finish. It matches the truck to the T. I just want to show you guys what we do. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294.